Hi, this is Dan Stiles, and I'll be demonstrating how we can import a third-party application file from Freeplane, which is a mind mapping tool, into Loci Memory Palace. Here we can see a Freeplane mind map. We're here in Loci Memory Palace, and I'm going to import from file. Load graph. That command opened a browser window, and I'll pick the file using a handset. Now these red ones are Loci files or graphs, and I'm going to open up a freeplane.mm file. So here it is. It comes in a little unorganized, but we can reformat it with a command: layout graph, layout graph.
Layout graph.
And here we see it's much more logically aligned, and we can see all of it in 3 dimensions. And we can go around and take a look at it from a different direction and make more sense of it. Thank you. Hey Cortana, stop recording.